I'm still in the workaround. I haven't gotten canceled, but I set up my shop. I've got like 15 products in my shop. I've set up with Printful or Printify, and I have drop shipping, and I have a shipping method, and I have a credit card set up for buying and shipping and everything. So legitimate stuff is going on. Traffic's being sent there, so it's a legitimate shop. So I don't think I'm going to get shut down. So I haven't got shut down yet. And last week, I hope I don't get shut down, because I just had a couple of videos go viral, and it was pretty good. And the companies even contacted me for the ad code, so they can shoot that one. And so now the one that has 1 million views on it, now they're going to put an ad to it, so it should be 2 million views in another week or so. You can get the 5,000 followers fairly easy. There's a lot of ways to do it. You got to hit a nerve. You got to turn around and either do something political or something controversial, something that's going to get people to click and follow you. Okay, let me turn this down a little bit. So, oh wow, it was up pretty high. So you're going to have to get something that, they say politics, like whether you like or hate either side, which I can't stand either side anymore. I'm like totally done with politics. Well, anyway, we're talking about the workaround, right? We're talking about the workaround, and getting 5,000 followers is what we're talking about. So to be political, anything that's going to hit a nerve, anything that's going to cause controversy, whether you agree with it or not, what you're going to do is you're going to put out these videos until you get the followers. Then you can private those videos so they don't affect your account. People don't see them, and people don't judge you for whatever opinion it is. So it doesn't have to be something you believe in, right? It's just to be something that's going to be controversial, that's going to cause people to follow you. Whatever it is, people are nuts. Like I always joke about Yankee fans. Yankee fans will buy anything that says Yankees on it. You could put a piece of dog crap in a bag that said Yankees on it, and they'd bid on it because it said Yankees on it. So something like that, where you could post Yankee content, right, and or Yankee hate content, because that would drive them nuts, and just do that until you had the 5,000 followers, and then apply for the program and get the program. But the trick is, again, hitting that nerve. So my viral videos on TikTok, first of all, they were short, quick videos, right, showing the product. Some of them were showing it used. Some of it was showing the function of the product, and some of it was making comments to the professionals in the industry that totally hit a nerve, and they totally blew up my comment section, which helped it go viral. And so the professionals were going crazy about it, so that all the non-professionals ended up buying it, because they realized it was a good product, because the professionals were saying, hire us, don't get that, hire us, don't get that, hire us. And it turned out everybody went and bought it. So it was pretty good. And so the trick is to hit that nerve, hit emotion, whether it's joy, fear, anger, whatever it is, to hit that nerve. That's what you want to do on TikTok. You want to hit that nerve. You want to get that emotion going, get them to push that button, hit that follow button, or hit that, or go and add that to their cart, or purchase whatever it is that you're selling in that video. And I did it like 3-4 times with that one product, and I have a couple of products in between that are getting over the 200 jail views, 1,000, 1,200, and they're gonna pick up. But the trick is to break that that 500 view jail, and if you can get that going, and you can get that that audience, that secondary audience, because it's going to go to that first 200 to 500 people. And if it does good there, then it goes up to the next one. That's how it goes viral, right? So you want to get out of that first level for you to get the best chance. So, and the way you do it is the people that are following you and liking your content, those are your people. Those are the people that are going to be showing that content to. When you upload a video, they're going to show it to those people, 500 of those people. Hopefully it does good with them, and it'll go up to the next level of people, and so on and so forth, until it gets up to the 1 million views. Now, it took for me to get 1 million views on that video, it took about 4 days, but it was jumping up like crazy, right? And the sales were going crazy, and the comments were going crazy. It was insane. And I mean, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing here. I should be making more videos, because it was just, if it's a numbers game, which I think it's a numbers game, where let's say every 20th video is going to get a good amount of views, where so you got to put out those 20 videos. Maybe it's every 50th video, but if every 50th video makes you 10 grand, that's pretty much worth it to do it, right? So the trick is you know, and the product, you want to get a product that you're going to have a decent payback, like $3 to $5, $10, you know, per purchase, which I did. So that helps a lot with the commissions, right? And you can negotiate up. Like the one product, I went from 10% to 15% just after I started getting views. I negotiated up with them. Like they were saying, they actually contacted me to say congratulations, your video is getting a lot of, you know, engagement and feedback. And I asked them, you know, is that the best you can do with the commissions? And then so they popped it up another 5%. All you got to do is ask. I always say it all the time. You never know if you don't ask. Okay, the workaround. TikTok is the Wild West. Okay, and since now I got a couple of videos gone viral that brands and sellers are messaging me. I'm getting 100 messages a day. You know, can you do my product? And it's a lot of it's ridiculous stuff, makeup and supplements and stuff that I'm not going to do. But every once in a while, it's something I want to do. You know, like outdoor lights for, you know, for your patio. I got a table for the barbecue. I got you know, a bunch of stuff is coming. You know, a bunch of stuff's coming. Vacuum cleaners. You know, but stuff. But you got to. Oh, where to find products? I would think it was. So you can go to the For You page. You can go to you can search the hashtag found it on TikTok Shops, or you can go if you signed up like I did for the workaround. This is something else for the workaround. Was if you signed up as a TikTok shop, you have Seller Central. And Seller Central is all the analytics. I mean, you can search just about anything. I mean. Because what they want you to use it for is to find affiliates to promote your stuff in your shop. So they give you access to all this analytics. You can search products, top selling products in this category. You could search top selling videos. You could search top selling influencers, right? And you can find out, and you can look at the videos that are going viral and figure out what they're doing, how they're doing it, try and do the same thing, right? You can go look at other people's accounts and seeing how many viral videos they have and trying to see how they're doing it. If you could be a student of the game, figure out what makes these things go viral, right? And you know, sometimes it's just the time of day. You know, I'll put a video up, it'll get 0 views. I'll tweak it a little bit, same video, but I'll cut a little bit out of it, maybe move the end to the beginning or something, and then I'll put it up again and it'll take off. So it's like it could be the time of day, it could be just uploading, it could be a lot of factors that we don't know about. Anyhow, so you go and you find out all of these things. If you don't have Seller Central, right, you can go in your affiliate account down at the bottom in your showcase. Down at the bottom, they'll give you examples of stuff that go viral. They'll give you products that are going viral. You can search it there. They'll give you that kind of information there as well. Pretty cool. But so has anybody been shut down that did the workaround? Have you done the workaround for TikTok affiliate TikTok shops? So you didn't have the 5,000 followers, so you opened up a shop and went in the back door. Like so, if you did that, a lot of people were saying they were getting shut down. There was a lot of people did get shut down. They were losing their commissions. Supposedly, after 90 days, they were going to be able to get their commissions, but we'll have to wait and see about that. But so that yeah, a lot of people got shut down, but I didn't. Not yet, anyway. I could get shut down. I would talk, and they could listen to my video and say, "Hey, he's getting away with it. Shut him down." But yeah, TikTok. So you opened up a TikTok shop to go through the back door to be an affiliate. You can't ignore the shop part of it. You got to put products in the shop, figure out, and it was easy for me. I used Printful, something like whatever it's called, Printify it is. Printify I used. Right, there is a Printful, but I use Printify, and you integrate it with TikTok Shops. They have an integration, so TikTok Shops recognizes Printful as a partner. So I was able, you connect your shop to Printful. I uploaded like 10, 15 products, and it's there. So and it's got a shipping method, it's got a payment method, it's got everything going for it. So it's a legitimate shop. So I don't think they're going to shut me down. I'm getting traffic to the shop. You know, whether or not I'm getting sales is another thing. But I mean, I could even go as far as hire an affiliate and give them 10% and have them promote my product. I can do that, and I'm using the shop as a shop. They're not going to shut me down. Okay, they're not going to shut me down. So that's my opinion, and let me know if you disagree with me. If and maybe the second round, the shutdown, I'll get caught up in it and I'll lose my account. It could happen, but I'll tell you what, with the videos that I've had going viral, I went from having 300 or 400 followers. I started with 23 followers when I hooked up to the shop, and then I was around 300 or 400, and now I'm at 2,000 just from the viral video that I had. So if I hit another viral video, I'll have 5,000 followers before long. But if you're starting fresh and you couldn't get into the workaround, and I'm not sure if the workaround works if you go sign up now and try to get in that way. I'm not sure if it works. But if you signed up as a seller and opened up a TikTok shop, you were able to get in the back door and you didn't need the 5,000 followers. And that's what everybody was screaming about, right? But utilize the way they wanted you to use it, and then they should leave you alone, right? That's my opinion. So what's going on in the real retail world, Adam, the resale world? I haven't been on Whatnot in a while, just because I haven't had time to put together a show. And the other thing with Whatnot is because they pay shipping, I don't want to just show up with a bunch of $5, $10, $20 items that they're not going to want to bid on because they're already paying $8 shipping, So it's like, I could be wrong about that, but I was feeling that, as I was writing which products I had laying around, I was like, that's not a high ticket item. That's not a high ticket item. And then I'm saying to myself, why am I giving away these high ticket items? I should be getting more for these things. But it's, it's when I start drowning in products, I'll be doing another Whatnot show and getting rid of them. I mean, that's the way it seems to be. You're under pressure. You got too much stuff laying around, and you decide time for another sale, right? You got to get rid of stuff. I got stuff going, over here. Nah, forget it. You know how it is. You all know how it is. It's a good problem to have. It's a good problem to have. So I don't want to spend all night on Amazon, on TikTok shops. Because I'm not really sure if it's worth it, because not a fan of Whatnot either. So let me ask you, Adam, since eBay Live, then I know eBay's doing the live, right? I haven't had a yard sale yet this year. My weekends have been jammed up with stuff, family stuff, spring, spring, you got all kinds of stuff going on in spring. Everybody's planning stuff for the weekend, all kinds of, whatever. And so Saturdays have been no good for me. So, but yeah, it should calm down. We should get a sale going. It's funny though, everybody comes around saying, how comes everything's still in the box? But what do you think about eBay live selling? They were doing live selling on eBay, or they were trying to do live selling on eBay. I was wondering if they were gotten any further with that. And the other thing we were going to talk about too was the Walmart Creator Program. If anybody's in the Walmart Creator Program, I got approved for that a while back. Yeah. So Adam, a lot of local towns have their town-wide yard sales or garage sales, whatever they call them. But if you're getting a good deal, you get a good deal. And yeah, so you don't know about the eBay Live. Well, I don't either. I know that they were looking into it, and they were trying to see if they can do that. So we'll see what happens in the future if they do that. Walmart was also doing that with eventually they're going to do Walmart Live with the same type of thing as Amazon Live was doing, but that remains to be seen too. But I am going to be doing a YouTube channel dedicated to the Walmart Creator Program, where it's going to promote just Walmart products on the YouTube channel. So, and I'm going to do it in a niche. I'm not going to do just a sales channel. It's going to be in a niche, and it's going to sell niche products in the description of what I'm using in the video. So hopefully, and the stuff that's bought in Walmart, like I might show videos of people in the backyard playing with a certain game or something that I bought, a yard game that I bought in Walmart or something like that. I'm not really sure how it's going to go, but it's going to go something like that. It might be, I'm not sure. We're going to see. Again, I have a couple of channels that I need to work on and drag out of the dirt. Well, it is for third-party sellers. Customer service can be iffy on Walmart, but you know what I find, Adam, is that whenever I have a problem with Walmart online, even if it's a third-party seller, I can just bring it right back to Walmart. I'm like 5 minutes from a Walmart, and they take it right back and credit me almost every time. I mean, I've never had a problem with Walmart returns. I mean, sometimes they want to see your ID and some, but they've never not taken something back from me. So I mean, they're pretty good with that. And when I was doing my drop shipping, I was getting returns, and I was returning it. They were returning it to me, and I was going to Walmart and bringing them